Alright, Evening Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, June 7th, 2010. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a max potential of 55 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, starting off this morning, pre-market we had a half gap set up. And that was just a really small gap. Only came out with 4 ticks on that just because of the way we set our targets on those. But nonetheless, we did have a nice trade set up in the morning before the market opened. Played back to the half distance to the 4 o'clock close. That worked for us. Right after the market opened, we actually got a signal to get short right about 9:36. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 12 ticks as the market traded lower. Sorry about that, kind of adjusted a little bit too far. As the market traded lower, 9:45, started trading back down towards our previous day's low, found some support, came up through our moving average, got a extension signal to get long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 8 ticks as we started trading back up towards the open, all the way up to our daily pivot. Based on that 4 p.m. close, came down off of that pivot level, which was also the Globex high. And as we came through our moving average, we actually got a nice signal to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 7 ticks as we traded back down below our previous day's low. And you can see the market sold off pretty good there in the morning. Actually found a little bit of support and started consolidating sideways between 11-11:15. Came back up through our moving average, and right just 1 minute prior to lunchtime we got a signal to get long, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 8 ticks. I'm sorry, this marker here should be green. That was a long trade at 11:29. Targets 1 and targets 2 for 8 ticks. Between 11:30 and 1:15 we do not initiate any new trades, but coming right out of the lunchtime dead zone we had a nice setup and signal to get long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 9 ticks. And then coming off of that, we actually had an extension to the south side. T1, T2 were hit for 7 ticks to the downside, and I believe that was our last trade of the day as the market continued to sell off and went back towards and underneath those previous day's lows. So all in all, that was it. Great day. 7 trades, 55 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.